Mom said yesterday was a disaster. I got too excited and ran out of the park, into the street. So now we have to retrain. I promised her I was ready to be off leash again. I won't run away. I promise. She was so proud of me. But then, a birdie. Oopsie. My brain just went, zoom 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 zoom. Run fast and high like that bird. I even heard my mom calling my name many times. I thought she was cheering me on. Sorry, Mom. I'll be good tomorrow. Pinky Paw Miss.